everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I have got another hair tutorial for you all. I'm going to be creating a fishtail braid into a low messy bun. So this is something that is probably a hairstyle for an occasion. Maybe you're a guest at a wedding, maybe you're a bridesmaid, maybe you're going up to a fancy dinner, or maybe you just want to wear it every day. I mean, to be honest, you can wear your hair however you want any day, but I just know that this is probably a hairstyle for those occasions. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to do a talk through with the tutorial just so you guys can really see how I create this look. So to start off with, I'm going to be creating the fishtail braid, and I've already swooped my hair over to one side. I prefer wearing it one-sided at the moment and it suits this look anyway. So I'm going to be grabbing a section of hair this side. Doesn't matter if it's like messy or anything, like just grab a section. It doesn't have to be neat, and you're going to split it into two. And then for a fishtail braid, you only work with 2 strands, and you need to kind of focus on taking really small strands to create the braid. So I'm going to take a small strand from this side of the section. So there's this section, so this side, and I'm going to take it over and join it with this side, and then I'm going to take a tiny section from this side and go over and join it with the other side, and I'm literally just going to carry on doing that. So you're literally just taking from the outer part of each section and joining it with the other side, and that is a fishtail braid. So it's super easy, even though it looks really hard, it's actually so easy to create. And I'm just going to keep doing this. And I'm going to try, and every time I sort of work down, I'm going to be bringing the braid around. So I need to sort of angle my hands that way. And I'm probably going to speed this up now because it's probably going to be boring, you guys just watching me do the same thing. So now I'm at the end of the fishtail braid. I'm going to grab a bobby pin and just pop it on the end to just keep it together. And so now with the rest of my hair, I'm going to be creating a messy sort of low side bun thing. That's what I'm going to call it. So I'm going to split my hair into 2, and I'm just going to twist this section and kind of create a bun and grab it into place using a bobby pin. And then with this section, I'm going to twist it again and kind of just add it on top of that first bun I created. Again, securing with a bobby pin. And if you can try and hide them, then the hairstyle will just look a lot better. I can't really see what I'm doing, so yeah, hopefully they're sort of hidden. And then I'm just going to bring a bit of hair forward because I like to just have a little bit out at the front. And then I'm going to do the same with this side. Just bring a bit of hair just around the edge. Cute. And then I'm going to work with this fishtail and try and sort of open it up a bit because I want it to be a bit thicker. And for this, I'm literally gonna just pull the braid out and push my thumb kind of in the back, sort of in the center, and just kind of open it up. And it's already getting a bit thicker. Keep doing that until I'm happy with how it looks. Cool. And then I'm just going to do this end bit here. I'm going to take this braid and I'm going to bring it around the back of my hair, and I'm going to add it into the bun that I've already created, and I'm going to secure that in place with a couple of pins. Now I'm just going to kind of mess around with the bun and pull it out till I get the look that I desire. I can't really see, so I'm going to grab a mirror. And there we have it. I've got a fishtail braid into a bun. And that is it. So it's pretty easy. You can kind of go a bit messy with the bun if you want, or you can go a bit neater. It's totally up to you. But yeah, I really just love this look. So yeah, what do you guys think? I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if any of you do create this look, please tag me on Instagram if you post it anywhere, because I would love to see. And yeah, I just really love the fact that it kind of like gives you the effect that you've got short hair, which is quite fun sometimes if you just want to play around with the length of your hair. So it kind of looks like you've got that kind of shaven kind of bit on this side and that like kind of long bobby thing on this side going on. But yeah, I really like it. It's funky, it's fun, it's playful, and yeah, I just think it's fun to just mess around with your hair now and again. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.